You see it everywhere. You probably feel it yourself. Today, we're introducing that blueprint, the wealth-building pyramid. Think of it this way. Your emergency fund is your ultimate financial shield. If you are just starting or rebuilding, this is your complete focus. Do not jump ahead. This level takes discipline, but it's the price of entry. First up is the ultimate wealth-building weapon, the Health Savings Account, or HSA, but only if you're enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. Imagine this. You invest $1,000 and over 20 years through smart investing. It grows to $10,000. You take that $10,000 out and pay zero taxes. You can't beat that. Let's say you focus on dividend funds. Or perhaps you want to explore fractional real estate. This is the core principle of wealth building. You take your earned income, protect it, make it tax efficient. Suppose you're starting from zero. No net worth, just debt. You build your level 1 foundation. You become level 2 efficient. This creates cash flow. Once you hit $100,000, you have significant wealth. Let's take a breath. We've covered a lot of numbers. But success isn't just about the math. You have to decide, what do you value more? Now, I've given you the complete roadmap. If you want to go deeper on specific topics, I have dedicated videos.